Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm the Urban Homesteader. We're going to be going over a quick tip on how to carry an easy way to carry a bunch of cordage. So stick around, hold on. Okay, to start, what everybody needs, I guess I can introduce it first. Here it is. Water bottle, whole cordage. All right, what you'll just need, it's going to be super simple, sweet, easy product that you guys can just come up with on your own. But it's something I like to do. It's pretty convenient. It all stays together. It comes out nice and clean. It's not tangled. None of that. So what you'll need is just a regular water bottle. If you want a whole lot, you can use a gallon size. You can use a gallon jug. It doesn't matter whatever you want. But basically all you do is take the water bottle, drill a hole right through the top, okay? And then feed your cordage through it. Feed it in. All the way in there, okay? So, and then all you need to do is every time you're done using it, tie the end off. Where's the camera? There it is. Just tie the end off, okay? So, like I said, fill it up. This is the longest part, but you can put a lot of cordage in here. I'm going to show you exactly how much is in here. No, well, not exactly. I'm just going to show you a rough guess of how much is in there. I am almost 6 foot tall. I'm not 6 foot. I'm almost there. I'm like 2 inches shy of 6 foot. So I have about 5 foot, 5.5 foot stretch here that I'll be doing with this. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So all about 60 feet. And this wasn't completely jam-packed full. I could probably get another 10 feet of this in there. So this will hold, just this water bottle alone will hold almost 70 feet of cordage, depending on how thick your cordage is. So this here had 60 feet in it. About 60 feet of cordage. So when doing these, it's small, compact, and it can be organized. Pull it all you want. It stays straight. It doesn't get tangled, and it fits. You can put it in your backpack. You can put it in your rucksack. You can put it in your survival bag, camping bag. Put it in a drawer at home. You can do anything with these. It's not just for survival. It can just be at home up on a shelf. You need some cordage, pull it out. Like I said, that's why I kind of like these, and I'm glad I kind of thought of it. It's just small, compact, it's organized. It kind of can keep everything together instead of having tangled cordage throughout your bag or trying to twist it and tie it together. But this is convenient. And I said it fits in anywhere. If your bag is packed, it goes right down the side next to your clothes or next to wherever. Or you can put it in a pouch just specifically for this. So that's why I like these. So yeah. Like I said, all you do is tie the end off. Boom. Cut it. All right, all I needed was that much. And there it is. Whoop, I need this much. I need that much. Look at it. It just comes out nice and smooth. Pretty easy. It's a pretty nice little product. It keeps all your cordage from getting tangled. So that's it. That's the video. That's all I got. It's just this quick little DIY little project for your cordage. So if you guys have any questions on it, just let me know. But don't forget, guys, I'm the Urban Homesteader. Just don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell everybody about it. Come on in. I'll have decent things. Can't talk. I'll have little videos like this throughout the rest of the year. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna finish packing this in. I'm gonna be done. All right, guys, take care. God bless.